niya.
Kakalilan para mamaya. Kakama slippers. Slippers. Look at that here, oh.
Why I'm alone? I'm looking for our things.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy,
Yes, my
can
love.
you join us in the playground?
Do you want me to join?
Mm-hmm.
How about our things here? Someone will get this stuff.
Maybe we can put our things right here. Right
Where?
here. Let's first put the can right here.
No! I'm still drinking that!
Why? But there's
Aw.
just no straw.
Thank you for thinking of mommy. You're so
Guys, what kind?
sweet. You want mommy to be there?
Yes.
Hmm.
Maybe you can wrap things.
Or I need to wrap things? Okay.
So you can go to the playground.
Okay. Okay
Now,
then.
Mommy.
What? It's magical. You're spinning around. Kuya. Sir first, grabe naman na yung ano mo, pagod mo. Si kuya nga chill-chill lang oh. Kain-kain lang. Yung river na to sa autumn, ano na to? Lamig na nito. Ganda oh. Sobrang linaw. Sarap maligo. Dami ng blackberries. Kuha nga tayo.
What are you doing, Mommy?
I'm just getting some blackberries, baby love.
Can I hold it?
Sure. Maybe we can get some sa malapit sa apartment. Dami oh. See?
Too many.
Wait. I will try to eat this. Tignan natin kung Tignan natin kung matamis.
Sabi sinabi,
Asim! Kala ko matamis. Dami oh.
Mommy, they're down there.
Baka marami to alikabok.
kasi nadadaanan ito kaya malipag-itin.
And put in
Pwede.
Sa likod natin, sa lagyan natin flag.
Di ba pwede naman tong pitasin? Oh?
Oo.
Ay! Naano na. Kasi sobrang lambot na.
Ito na.
There you go.
Patayin niya pa niya may straw na mo.
Okay.
Ito pa oh, daddy oh.
Yan.
Mga wild
Yo,
blackberries.
ano kasi yo?
So, laki na ito.
Abot mo naman.
Ito sayang naman.
Takan sa ano sa skirt.
Testing natin ah. Tanya, Mami will try this. Okay ba to?
Oo naman.
Wait, kasi marami itong jalikabok. Pilipino. Hindi nga, totoo ba to?
Oo nga.
Kaya itong kainin?
Oo naman.
Ito na lang.
Ikaw nga tayo muna. 1, 2.
Hindi na ito lang maliit.
Sige, wait lang.
Doon sa maliit. Okay.
Oh, matamis.
Using redder.